Hi everyone! In this video, we'll install Samba server on CentOS, RockyLinux, or AlmaLinux, allowing you to easily share files and folders between Linux and Windows within the same local network. First, let's refresh the package manager's cache to make sure the system has the latest software information. Next, we'll install the Samba package, along with the required tools for configuration and management. Once the installation is complete, we'll enable Samba to start automatically with the system, ensuring the service is always ready to share files whenever the server is running. Next, let's start both SMB and NMB services so they can begin running right away. This step ensures Samba can handle file sharing requests and make the server visible on the local network. Now let's check the status of both SMB and NMB services to make sure they're running properly on the system. If the status shows active running, it means Samba has been started and is now running properly on your system. Okay, both SMB and NMB services are running properly. Next, we'll navigate to the directory that contains Samba's configuration file, where all the sharing settings and access permissions are defined. Here, you'll find the SMB conference configuration file. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to create a backup copy so you can easily restore it if something goes wrong during the configuration process. Okay, now we've created a backup of the configuration file. In the upcoming videos, I'll cover specific Samba configuration cases in detail, such as password-protected shares, public access, and advanced permission settings. Next, let's check the firewall status to make sure Samba service ports are not blocked. If the firewall status shows active, you need to allow the Samba service through the firewall so other devices can connect. Now let's allow the Samba service through the firewall by adding it to the allowed list. Then, we'll reload the firewall to apply the changes. Next, let's verify the firewall status again to make sure the Samba service has been successfully added to the allowed list. If you can see Samba listed there, it means the ports are open and the system is ready for file sharing. And that's it! We've successfully completed the basic installation and configuration of Samba server on CentOS, RockyLinux, or AlmaLinux. In the next videos, I'll show you how to create and share folders, set permissions, and connect from Windows or Linux. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the Samba tutorials playlist linked in the description below.